everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Netspend card online using a computer. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Click open your web browser to get started. Go to the URL box at the top and type in netspend.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official webpage of Netspend. Now, click on the Activate Card button at the top right hand corner. Enter your Netspend card details in the text boxes appearing on the next page. Enter your card number that is available on your card, which is 16-digit long, and now type in your security code on the next field, which is 3-digit long. Remember that your characters, your card number or your security code must be correct. If it is not, you won't be able to activate your Netspend card. If your information is correct, then you'll be able to see the continue button popping up and click on the continue button in order to activate your Netspend card online using a computer. Once you confirm it, on the next page, you'll be able to receive a confirmation that your Netspend card has been activated. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.